How do you stop fraudulent cards before they ever reach your payment processor? Hyperswitch has two built-in tools for this, the Blocklist and Card Testing Guard. You don't need an external provider. In this video, I'll walk you through the Blocklist. The Blocklist lets you block cards at 3 levels. Fingerprint blocks one specific card, using the unique identifier Hyperswitch assigns to every card that transacts. Card bin blocks every card sharing the same first 6 digits, useful when you're seeing a pattern from a specific issuer or card range. Extended card bin uses the first 8 digits for more precision. Any blocked card returns error code HE03 before the authorization ever leaves Hyperswitch. It doesn't matter if the payment would have routed to Stripe, Adyen, or Worldpay. Here's what we'll do. First, make a payment through Stripe and grab the fingerprint from the response. Then enable the Blocklist guard. From there, we then block that fingerprint. Then retry the same payment and see it fail with HE03. And at the end, I'll show you how to remove the block. Let's walk through it in Postman. The first thing we do is make a payment. The body has the full order context, cart items with product names and quantities, billing and shipping addresses, and some metadata, including the fulfillment method and order channel. The profile ID at the top ties this to the right merchant configuration. Let me fire it. Payment succeeded through Stripe. And if you scroll down, you'll see the fingerprint field right here. That's the unique identifier Hyperswitch assigned to this specific card. That's what we'll use to block it. Before we can block anything, we need to enable the Blocklist guard. There's no body needed for this one. It's just a post to Blocklist toggle with status equals true as a query parameter. Response comes back confirming Blocklist guard status is enabled. The block call is simple. There are 2 fields in the body, type fingerprint and the value we just copied from the payment response. Just in case, if you wanted to block a whole card range instead of one specific card, you'd swap the type to card bin and pass the first 6 digits. Or, extended card bin gives you 8 digits for more precision. Now, let's block the fingerprint. Fingerprint ID and data kind payment method confirmed. Card is blocked. Now let's retry the same payment with the same card. Error code HE03. We're unable to accept this card. The block fires before the authorization ever leaves Hyperswitch, whether it would have routed to Stripe, Adyen, or Worldpay. And to remove the block, you use the same structure as the block call, but with an HTTP delete method. Again, you put in type fingerprint with the same value we got in the response from step 1 when we fired the payment. As you can see, when we execute this request, the block is removed immediately. The next payment attempt from that card routes normally through Hyperswitch to Stripe or whichever connector is configured. And just to confirm the unblock worked, let's fire that same payment one more time. You can see the status is succeeded. The card is back to normal and the payment went through Stripe as if the block was never there. That's it. That's the block list. To recap, there are 3 block types: fingerprint for a specific card bin for the first 6 digits, and extended card bin for the first 8. Any blocked card returns HE03 across all connectors. Hyperswitch also has a card testing guard that blocks automated validation attacks at the business profile level across 3 rules: card and IP combination, guest user card, and customer ID. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect Signifyd as an external fraud provider and run pre-authorization decisioning before every payment reaches Stripe. If you want to go deeper, check out the Hyperswitch docs linked below. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.